I am Dr. GPV Subbaya, spine surgeon, Star Hospitals, Hyderabad. So, the pain which you have around the bumps is mostly because of problems of your tailbone. The tailbone is known as coccyx. The pain in that area, around tailbone area, is called coccydynia. If you look at the spine from above down, so the upper part, the neck part of the spine is known as cervical spine. The mid part of the spine, that is behind your chest, is known as the dorsal spine or thoracic spine. The one behind your tummy is called the lumbar spine. The one below the lumbar spine is the sacral region, and the final part of the spine is the tailbone or the coccygeal region. So, this tailbone doesn't have any function in the human body. This is known as a vestigial organ. The tail in the animals, say for example, all of you know that we originated from the monkeys. Monkeys have the tail. So, that tail is represented in humans as the tailbone. But it doesn't have any function, but it can cause a lot of pain to the patients. So, any pain that comes from the tailbone is called coccydynia. Sometimes what happens, people fall onto the buttocks, fall on their bums and can injure the tailbone, and subsequently tailbone pain or coccygeal pain. And some people without any injury also can develop pain in that particular area. So, the reason why people develop pain without any injury would be, say for example, when we are sitting, we sit directly on our tailbone, and the irritation of the tailbone between the tailbone and the irritation of the soft tissues between the hard tailbone and the hard chair can cause pain in that particular area. So, most of the people will have pain in that area, and then they have difficulty in sitting in the chairs. So, clinical examination just reveals the moment we press on the tailbone, they will have a lot of pain. So, that itself tells us the patient has this coccygeal pain. The way to treat it is to give the pain medications, so called anti-inflammatory medicines, and the important thing is to offload that tailbone. How do you offload the tailbone? Is by putting a cushion. We have a special cushion called donut pillow or coccygeal pillow. All of you must have seen the donut. Donut is a type of ring shaped cake. So, this pillow also is in the form of a ring, and if you sit on it, you offload the tailbone and there won't be any pressure on the coccyx. So, pain medications and the usage of coccygeal pillow, with this most of the people will get benefit. Most of the people, in the sense around 80 to 90% of the people will get benefit, and around 10 to 20% of the people, even if you give medicines and even if you put the patient on a donut pillow, they do not get any benefit. So, for those patients, what we do is we give an injection close to the tailbone, that is known as a coccygeal nerve block or Gasserian ganglion block. So, with that, majority of the people, 99% of the people will get benefit, and only small set of people do not get any benefit with this injection, and that is when we consider removing the coccygeal bone. So, first is medicines and then the pillow. Those patients who do not get benefit with medicines and pillow should get the injections, and those patients who do not get benefit with the injections would get the surgery. Surgery would be in the form of removal of the coccygeal tailbone.